Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2795. Today's date is 1st of July 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:15 p.m. I am in very stress. Yeah, it's just like from last 2 3 days I was so much in stress. I don't know why. It's just like every time I just bit scared of things and everything. I just like I don't know. I talk about this thing in Artifact episode, but just like that, na, कि sometimes it's just too much, and and I don't really know what should I do. Okay, like some small things can give me a very big stress, and when you have a stress, man, I just can't just like I don't know. आपका मन ही नहीं लगता मेरा मेरा मन ही नहीं लग पाता किसी चीज़ पे. I can't do anything. Okay, like basically is that ki let's just, yeah, if you have a stress, then watch some of the videos, watch some of the movies, and music. Maybe music will help you, but I don't know yaar. It's just like nothing, कुछ मन ही नहीं करता, nothing at all. Okay, and then there is a only one thing that I am seeing, that कि हाँ ये चीज़ करने से शायद मुझे स्ट्रेस कम होगा, and that is a porn. Okay, so almost like a 2 days ago I watched porn just because I was in so much stress. I don't know what should I do. Like I can't able to sleep in that night, and I just watch porn and then I masturbate and then I sleep. Same thing happened today. Okay, like afternoon na, I was like I wanted, like basically what is at least this happened came uh, yesterday I thought that ki I wanted to make video about um, flipper house. Okay, what is a flipper house? Flipper house is a game. Okay, is actually like a, there is a YouTuber named Techno Gamers. He was playing that game, and I decided that ki let's follow the trend, because since from I was doing this YouTube for almost like a 1 year and haven't done anything at all. My subscriber was 61 and I was so much in stress, so I decided that ki let's follow the trend, and that's why trend means like that the highest YouTuber, a gaming YouTuber, plays such a game, you have to play exactly like that game, so you will get a little bit of traffic. Okay, Techno Gamer, he is a kind of like a person who can decide what should he play game, and the trend will follow, because his subscribe is almost like a 28, 29, 32, I don't know, it's too higher subscriber. All right, so uh, decided that let's play this house flipper. Okay, so I just last night I downloaded that game, and uh, the morning, what is at least this thing ki today I decided that ki I have to schedule my gameplay. Last night I already uploaded that video, uh, Need for Speed Most Wanted, and then I have to play this game, House Flipper. So I scheduled my video, and then I was playing this House Flipper game, and it was like nothing really. The things that I'm expecting is not that well. Yeah, like I wanted to try it out, but it's just really not. Okay, I was so frustrated because like that na ki I don't know, like I was trying to like that game, but I won't be able to like that game. It's just like that game was, I don't know, it just feel little bit of pathetic. Okay, I can't do anything at all. I was trying to like that game, I was trying to play this game figure it out the levels, figure it out the tools, how do I use and everything. But it just felt like that na, every time I was playing this game I was trying to poking out something really bad thing from the game कि हाँ इसमें ये गलत है, इसमें ये गलत है, इसमें ये गलत है, इसमें ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. I was not really trying to like that game. and and that gives me stress. Because why? Because of that कि today I plan that कि today I have to play this game, understand the little bit of game, then I will record this game, and this is the plan, then I edit and everything will be done after that. But eventually I was not able to like that game. So it just like that ना कि इनिशियल स्टेज पे मैं फेल हो जा रहा था. आई डोंट नो व्हाट शुड आई डू. इट वाज लाइक trying to do like that game, but it's just nothing at all, nothing really worked that well. I just like, I don't know. And basically I realized that ki no, this is not the game. This is not the game. I have to make video on that. And then I uninstall this game. Okay, when I uninstall this game, then I get so much stress. Abhi kya? What should I do now? Okay, should I go Need for Speed Most Wanted, or should I play another game? Like I was thinking that let's play Spider-Man, but no. Then there is another thought came inside of me, is that ki my channel has gained the momentum because of this Need for Speed Most Wanted game, so let's just continue that. Then there is another thought came inside of me, is that ki why are you playing this one single game? Try to different play another game. It was like so many choices. Okay, and when you have so many choices that ki you have to do this, or maybe you have to do this, or maybe you have to do this, and doesn't really know what will affect, so that gives me stress. And it was like, I don't know, it's like fucking things happened with me, and I was so much stress. I don't know what should I do. And since I'm telling this thing now, I'm still get little bit of stress. Okay, so it's just like I went to the YouTube and watched some of the videos that how should I fight with the depression, how should I fight with the stress and things like that. And most of the people recommend that ki talk to the people that you know, talk to your friend, talk to your parents, talk to your things about this thing. Maybe like me, it's not maybe, it's a kind of like a thing that ना कि आप जब भी आप किसी दोस्त के साथ या किसी आदमी के साथ आप बात करते हो, आप अपने like what is the problem that you have, and you have to tell the problem to the other person na, you release little bit of stress. Okay, and that is a really essential part of removing or releasing the stress. So that's why I came here, and I was decided to call Badal. Okay, Badal is one of my friend. I also wanted to talk to Vishal too, but I don't know yaar, like Vishal was kind of like a something really father figure. Okay, he was constantly saying me that ki bhai what are you doing and things like that na. Like I don't know, might be he will judge. He already called me about this thing ki kasa hai, ka hai, what is that, is this thing. And then I sensed that ki he was judging me. And right now I'm not in the particular situation na that like basically I'm almost 30, I am living with my parents, not earning any money, kind of like a pathetic person. Okay, and obviously that person will feel. So I was stop calling Vishal and just talk to the Badal. I don't know, like I never really have connection with the Badal too, but yeah, just like I just wanted to talk to the person, so why don't you call Badal? So I called Badal, but he didn't pick up the phone, so I ended up in Artifact episode. Does this Artifact episode help you? Actually, is that na, it's not. Okay, like releasing a stress is kind of like a thing happened with the kind of like person is like this technique शुड वर्क ऑन द लिविंग पर्सन. अगर आपके सामने एक आदमी है, आप उनसे बात कर रहे हो, देन इट वर्क. अगर आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो, डिडंट रियली वर्क दैट वेल. आई जस्ट लाइक आपको फीडबैक नहीं मिलता ना, नथिंग रियली एट ऑल, यू डोंट नो. सो इट्स dude यार, but like stress is sometimes na you have a problem, okay, and you don't know how do I solve, okay, like you need a some, like basically is that ki you have a problem. What I'm trying to tell you na ki sometimes you have a problem, you have to solve this problem by yourself, okay. Everyone goes through the stages of stresses, depression and everything at all. I am so stressful dude यार. like basically ना कि मैं फिर सब कुछ सोचने लगता हूँ कि what the fuck that I did from 2016. 2016 से मैंने कितना ज़्यादा फक किया है मेरे लाइफ के साथ, कितना ज़्यादा यार. Like basically ना I think about 2016, 17, 2 साल, फिर यहाँ पे 3 साल, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 7 साल मैंने लाइफ को फक कर दिया यार. इट्स just like I am almost 30 dude, and मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैं उनसे आँखों में आँख, जस्ट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. या लाइक बेसिकली ना अगर फादर एक रूम में हो ना, सो आई जस्ट लीव दैट रूम एंड लाइक ना बहुत ऐसे स्ट्रेस होता है डूड यार. Like so much stress, and I don't know what should I do. I was sometimes I just like I how do I explain this stress yaar. Okay Ashish Bhauji, okay. Sorry. अभी just Ashish Bhauji called me and they just wanted to talk about the lumbar rota. It's kind of like a, I don't know yaar. So dude यार, I just wanted to tell you something, okay, कि अगर तेरे को लगता है ना कि तूने तेरी लाइफ की नहीं क्या 7 साल बर्बाद कर दिए, ओके, 4 year इन 2016 to 2020, 4 साल वहाँ पे, देन 2020 to 2023 3 साल यूट्यूब एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. भाई ये बर्बाद नहीं हुए ना यार. इट्स नॉट, it is like it added some sort of value dude, okay. अगर एक किसी सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो रहे हो तो डजंट मेक कि आपने उसमें कुछ भी नहीं किया, नथिंग एट ऑल. आपने उसमें किया, आपने एफर्ट लगाया, फेल हो गए, ओके. यू नो सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टफ जहाँ पे आप कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं जानते थे, राइट नाउ आप कुछ जानकर फेल हुए ना, ओके. So don't be think like that ना कि ऐसा dude यार what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, from 2016 to 2020 I was doing a job. Okay, जबकि मुझे पहले से ही पता था कि मुझे एक फिल्म मेकर बनना है, मुझे एक क्रिएटिव फील्ड में जाना है. ओके, पहले से ही पता था. बिफोर दैट आई ट्राई in 2010 or 2012 I went to Bombay too. Okay, but still I trying to do a job. Okay, dude, what I'm trying to tell you now. Okay, कि कभी कभी कैसी चीज़ें होती हैं ना दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट. ओके, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज एंड पॉसिबल रिजल्ट. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग दैट. ओके, कि मान ले कि 2016 में तू अगर जॉब नहीं करता, अगर यू डिसाइडेड दैट कि यू वांटेड टू डू अ क्रिएटिव वर्क and yeah, so this is that you decided you don't want to do a job. Okay, this is the thing that you decided at the age of at 2016. Okay, so what will be the consequences समझ. Okay, right now you are doing this YouTube since 2020. Okay, it took you 3 years. It took you 3 years that still you not really able to earn money from the YouTube, but you are doing it. Okay, what if this is the exact thing happened in 2016? Okay, मान ले कि अगर तू 3 साल तू YouTube के वीडियोस बना रहा था बट इट डिडंट रियली वर्क आउट फ्रॉम 2016, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and right now you are still doing YouTube. Why? Because of that कि you don't have any choice. Okay, you already lost everything doing a job. Okay, so I don't want to spend another year to do a job. Like basically अभी तेरे को choice नहीं ना, अभी तेरे को बस YouTube ही करना है. That is the only thing is actually you have. But in 2016 वहाँ पे तेरे पास multiple choices थे. ओके, ईदर इफ यू वहाँ पे तेरे को यूट्यूब बनना है तो यूट्यूब. ओके, और एल्स यू हैव टू गो टू द बॉम्बे बी अ फिल्म मेकर, और एल्स डू अ जॉब, और एल्स ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, और भाई जहाँ पे नहीं क्या चीज़ें चॉइसेस बहुत सारी होती है ना, वहाँ पे आदमी स्कैटर्ड हो जाता है. ओके, एंड मे बी जस्ट लाइक दैट ना कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज विल हैपन दैट कि तू 3 साल यूट्यूब करने के बाद फेल हो जाने के बाद फिर तू ट्राई टू डू अ जॉब एंड देन ऑल दैट सक इन मे बी लाइफ समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट. ओके, सो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज इज एक्चुअली हैपन इन योर लाइफ इज मेंट टू बी हैपन. उसको होना ही था. ओके, अभी तू जान गया ना कि यू आर नॉट मेंट टू बी डूइंग अ जॉब. You realize that na, you found out that you did a mistake. Okay, that's it. That mistake help you to the rest of the life कि तेरे को आगे जॉब नहीं करना है. Okay, you realize that point and that's it. Okay, ये तेरा मिस्टेक का एक सोल्यूशन है डूड कि you did a mistake, you understand that and you are not following that path that you used to follow in 2016. So things happen, doesn't really care. Okay, चलो fuck up हो गया, सबका होता है, कोई बताता है कोई नहीं बताता. You did fuck up. Okay, that's it. It's good thing happen. Okay, चलो अभी let's come to the closer from 2020 to 2000 right now. Okay, what is the mistake that you did? Okay, first of all is that from 2020 I was trying to be a filmmaker or be a YouTuber, but basically as a filmmaker required some sort of a fund money, and I don't have that much money on that time on right now. So वो filmmaking का तो छोड़ ही दे. Okay, that's it. Okay, then let's come to the YouTube. Okay, so you started this YouTube thing since exactly a year ago. Okay, June, July 2020. Okay, I was started making the videos. All right, तो तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ, ओके व्हाई आर यू स्टार्ट ए गेमिंग चैनल, आई रियलाइज दैट कि फिल्म मेकिंग कंटेंट में, सॉरी फिल्म मेकिंग मीन्स लाइक बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिव वर्क, ओके फिल्म मेकिंग इज ऑल्सो क्रिएटिव वर्क, मेकिंग गेमिंग वीडियो इज ऑल्सो क्रिएटिव वर्क. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इज दैट कि इन द फिल्म मेकिंग वहाँ पे आपको कंटेंट को बनाना पड़ता है और कंटेंट को एक तरह से ढूंढना पड़ता है, रिसर्च करना पड़ता है, फिगर इट आउट करना पड़ता है. लाइक आई वॉज डूइंग दिस लाइक बेसिकली ना फ्रॉम लेट्स कंसिडर March 2020 to August 2021. Alright, I already mentioned this thing. Alright, I was not really sure about what should I do. I was deciding that should I wanted to be a filmmaker, should I wanted to be a YouTuber. I was not really sure about that. Okay, but I was uploading video on YouTube, but not as a YouTuber, just for as a portfolio for the filmmaker. That's it. That's all. Alright, but jab then I decided that कि I wanted to be full time YouTuber. So August 2021 to June 2022. Okay, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So it took me almost like 8 months to realize that कि अगर मैं फिल्म मेकिंग में ही वीडियोस बनाता रहूँ तो आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ना कि आई वॉज नॉट रियली श्योर. वाई नॉट श्योर? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ना कि मेरा कंटेंट मैं किस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट करूँ. लाइक इट्स नथिंग रियली एट ऑल, बट गेमिंग में आपको बहुत सारा कंटेंट मिलता है, आपको एग्जीक्यूशन में प्रोसेस करना पड़ता है. ओके, लाइक लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन, कंटेंट एग्जीक्यूशन, देयर इज़ अ टू डिफरेंट थिंग. ऑलराइट, अगर आप फिल्म मेकर बनते हो तो आपको कंटेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, प्लस आपको कंटेंट एग्जीक्यूशन भी करना पड़ता है. ऑलराइट, और इस चीज़ को करने में आपको वक्त लगता है. ऑलराइट, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, सैम कोल्डर, ही वॉज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फिल्म मेकर. He was a travel filmmaker. Alright. Also अंकित भाटिया is also a travel filmmaker. Okay. तो वो कंटेंट बनाता है प्लस उसको एग्जीक्यूट करता है. Alright. But also another thing is that कि I don't know. Okay. I just realized that कि I won't be able to create a content creation क्योंकि वो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो जा रहा था, बिकॉज वो कंटेंट क्रिएशन काफ़ी पर्सनल ही हो रहा था. जस्ट लाइक I was trying to interact with the personal things and just like it didn't really work that out. तो 8 महीने तो बर्बाद, not बर्बाद actually, just realized that कि no, so I started doing making gaming content. Okay, June 2022 I started making this. अभी 1 साल हो गया. 1 साल में what does I do? It's just like I have 62 subscribers. What do you expect? You are expecting that कि 1 साल में सब कुछ हो जाएगा या 2 साल में सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Let me tell you one thing. The name that you elaborate before, टेक्नो गेमर्स, राइट, वो करीब 5 साल से यूट्यूब बना रहा है, 5 साल से यूट्यूब कर रहा है. ओके, या यू आर टेलिंग दैट कि डूड 5 साल से कर रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, ही वॉज मेकिंग हिज वीडियो फ्रॉम 2018-90. 2 साल उसने लगातार वीडियोस बनाए, उसको एक भी व्यूज़ नहीं आया. आते थे बहुत ही मिनिमलिस्टिक व्यूज़ आते थे. जब कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ देन हिज वीडियो वाज गेनिंग पॉपुलर. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि जब कोई क्रिएटर बनता है तो आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो ना. डोंट यू बी एक्सपेक्ट दैट कि चीज़ें फट से हो जाती है. नो, इट्स नॉट. हर तरह से ओके, बादल राइट नाउ रिलीज द स्ट्रेस. सो